Creating a Printify store is easy and allows you to start a print-on-demand business without inventory. Here's how to do it. Sign up for Printify. Go to printify.com and click Sign Up. Enter your email, create a password and confirm your account. Set up your store. Once logged in, go to the Manage Store section and click Add a new store. You can choose to sell directly on Printify pop-up store or connect to e-commerce platforms like Shopify, Etsy, WooCommerce, Wix, eBay or Amazon. Choose and customize products. Browse Printify's product catalog. Use the mockup generator to upload designs, adjust placements, and preview products. Set pricing and publish. Printify provides a base price for each item. Set your retail price to include your profit margin. Click Publish to add products to your store. Automate fulfillment and start selling. When a customer orders, Printify's print partners automatically print, pack, and ship the product. You only pay for production when an order is placed. Market your store. Promote your products using social media, SEO, and paid ads to attract customers.